Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today we are talking about Bitcoin and the recent price movements on it, alongside Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong threatening to pull out of the US due to some of the regulation issues. Today also, Gary Gensler was grilled in front of government officials in a public hearing, which we'll talk a little bit about in this video. And all that good stuff. Guys, if you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you and to 10,000 subscribers. We are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so don't miss out on that. Let's look at these crypto markets right now. So a $1.27 trillion market cap is looking pretty strong. We are still moving up, and Bitcoin dominance is hanging about 46%. Bitcoin back above $30,000 after a slight dip, which we'll look at the charts here towards the end of this video. But the big story for the day right now that I'm seeing is Coinbase could move away from the US if there's no regulatory clarity. So Brian Armstrong is getting very frustrated. He's been very vocal against some of the regulation that's been coming out, and he's been getting it from all angles. Go back to you see the Apple Store actually trying to take a cut of the NFT transactions on the Coinbase wallet. You see regulators giving a variety of crypto companies an issue. Now there's stablecoin bills that are threatening some of the stablecoins. In case you don't know, you've got Coinbase that created USDC coin with Circle. There was a group that got together, Circle and Coinbase, to create the stablecoin. So Brian Armstrong, the CEO, is absolutely sick of it. As the crypto markets are heating up, Brian Armstrong is getting vocal and saying, hey, I might pull this off the table and move outside of the US if we don't get this regulation straight, right? Threatening the government to pull away a big business, and other crypto companies could follow in suit if this large player moves outside of the US. Well, this comes up on a very interesting day, simultaneously to a time where congressional Republicans were criticizing Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, on a hearing today. This was a federal oversight hearing, and Gary Gensler was absolutely grilled. For those of you guys that didn't see this story, check out the video my partner on the channel did earlier this morning, maxi. Today, he did a video talking a little bit about crypto.com and some of these comments, and gives video on this hearing. But Gary Gensler absolutely gets grilled by a fellow in a bow tie, basically saying, you don't know whether this is a security or a commodity, and Gary Gensler refuses to answer the questions. And this is exactly what Coinbase's CEO is talking about. And when asked very directly, Gary Gensler, when asked very, very directly, is there clarity in this market? He goes on a roundabout answer, and he says he thinks there is clarity. That's clearly a lie. There is not a lot of clarity. That's why all these Wells notices are getting issued. There is no clarity for this community. That's why you see Coinbase threatening to leave outside of the US. There is no clarity. They got to figure it out. And there are some other great clips of some of these other folks. This is the fellow in the bow tie that really attacked Gary Gensler this morning. Very spectacular to watch him just get stumped in public. Guys, overall though, things are looking bullish, despite whether or not Gary Gensler will be the SEC head in the next couple years to be, or whether he will or won't be. Crypto's moving up and moving on without it. Whether there's regulatory clarity in the US or not, I don't think it matters. Coinbase will continue to do business. Crypto will continue to get sought out by savvy investors looking for new developing emerging technologies. And I think if it moves outside of the US, that's fine, and crypto can just become a global asset, right? It's going to be very interesting to see what countries start to get with the program on crypto and what countries don't. But in the meantime, Bitcoin's going up. As you see here, it actually touched down to the low $29,000 price level on this weekly candle and just came right back up, and is trying to make its way back towards the $33,000 level, which is certainly possible in the next couple weeks. So we'll have to see. Wouldn't be surprised to see it test this green line again. That being said, I wouldn't be surprised to see it kind of get back up to that $33,000 price level. The overall market cap is also still breaking out. Similar moves to Bitcoin, but I'd love to see it get to that $1.34 trillion market cap level. And I would like to see some regulatory clarity, just like Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong is talking about. in some big headlines today. So guys, that's the scoop for the day. That's really all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA and HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you do want to check them out. Peace.